This graphic organizer is designed to assist a foods teacher in effectively planning out their lesson. A well-run and organized foods classroom can be a fantastic learning environment, but without the proper organizational tools, teachers may be setting themselves up for failure. Imagine chocolate chip cookies without the chips, chicken pot pie without the chicken, and Granny Smith apple pie without the granny?
To effectively run a foods class, there are many elements that must work together. A CTS classroom is unlike any English or math classroom. Recipes require a variety of supplies. Ovens must be preheated. Recipes require varying amounts of time, which must be planned for, or yeast may need to rise for a duration of time. Instructors must consider all these elements when planning their lesson, along with the order of steps and supplies required. We have developed an easy-to-use graphic organizer that allows the instructor to balance out these elements in one easy-to-use sheet. Within the organizer, space is given for the lesson or project name, the steps to follow during the class, supplies required, and time reminders.
First, let's talk about the lesson project name section. This space would be used for the instructor to record the name of their lesson, which would, at a minimum, include the recipe name. But space is also allotted should they wish to include a date, module number, or any other information they find relevant. Directly underneath this section is steps. This area permits the planner to lay out the steps in the order they wish to follow. While it will lay out information similarly to the time section, it serves a different role in that it orders the actions that must be taken without a focus on time requirements. The supplies required area is effectively separated into two zones. One for supplies in stock, and the other is designated as must purchase. This separation is important, as many supplies are staples within the foods classroom, such as flour, salt, and baking soda. The must purchase area provides space for the ingredients not already within the classroom and serves as a shopping list for the instructor. Items such as fresh produce or dairy would be found here. Time reminders. Need to preheat that oven? Remind yourself here. Does the meat need to rest before serving? Make note of that here. How long does that yeast need to rise? This is the place to make a note to ensure you stay on track.
While much of this information can be found in a completed lesson plan, that format would not include a way to organize ingredients in the same way, or balance time of action or steps to follow. This graphic organizer provides a simple format to ensure all elements of the lesson work seamlessly together.
In our example, we have used the graphic organizer for a chocolate chip cookie recipe. This is clearly stated in the lesson project name section. The steps section lists the order of steps to follow in the recipe. It is a great way to make sure nothing is forgotten. Within the supplies required section, it becomes clear how both zones work together. You can see how the ingredients already present within the classroom are separate from the list that effectively becomes the grocery list. This way, nothing is missed, and you are not left scrambling to find missing ingredients. The time reminder section has notes within, reminding the instructor that the ovens need to be preheated. Foods classes run on such a tight timeline that forgetting to preheat an oven really is the difference between success and failure.
As teachers, we want to set our students up for success, but with that, we need to remember that our success plays an important role. This graphic organizer helps to fulfill that need.